Wondering about how RPWORLD provide one-stop manufacturing solutions for your injection molded parts rapidly, and reliably? Follow our R model to learn the manufacturing services along your product lifecycle. It all starts with uploading your CAD files. Simply click Get a Quote. Select your files, then upload your files and submit. Okay, the next thing is just waiting for our quotation and expert DFM analysis within 24 hours. Our experienced engineers would take an in-depth analyzing for your order, and a detailed and specific DFM report would be presented regarding materials consideration, surface treatment, accuracy, structure, draft angle, deformation analysis, intensity, and more according to your project. Those preparations will help improve design, achieve flawless products, and maximize your economic benefits. If everything is confirmed, your order will be transferred to our in-house injection molding plant. At RPWORLD, we offer more than 30 engineering-grade materials for your plastic parts. In addition, we believe what will impress you most is that our rapid tooling and injection molding processes allow for your parts within the budget and short lead time. With our automated robot arms working 24/7, the turnaround time could be further reduced as fast as 7 days. When we get the first part, our first article inspection will be followed. Usually, we use the advanced metrology instruments like flashing measure machine, CMM, and more to measure and inspect the dimensions, checking if they are matched with your drawings. The production will be continued only if the first piece is inspected to be qualified. In addition, there are in-process quality control during manufacturing and outgoing quality control after all parts being produced to double guarantee your high-quality parts. There's no doubt that an eye-catching cosmetic appearance could make your products distinctive. RPWORLD offers a wide range of finishing options for your plastic parts, painting, silk printing, handmade, etc. to meet your different requirements. When your customized parts perfectly match your design, they'll be packaged to shipment. RPWORLD applies standard packaging solutions according to your part's size, materials, and more, which keep the parts intact when arriving at your office. Want to experience the right, rapid, and reliable one-stop manufacturing solutions at RPWORLD? Follow our R model to accelerate your development now.